Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to apply a very simple formula to solve a particular quadratic equation, and the formula is y prime equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Y prime, it means dy over dx, which implies that we are going to differentiate this function to the left hand side. So if you differentiate the first term here, this 2 will drop down to multiply. We have 2x and the power will reduce by 1. So we have 4x, right? And if you differentiate the second term, 3x, you're going to obtain only 3. So we have plus 3 here. And the derivative of constant is 0, so we forget about it. This is equal to, we are done with y prime, plus or minus the square root of b squared. B is the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we have 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a. A is the leading coefficient, which is 2. Multiplied by c, and c is the constant, which we have as -9. Let's simplify this first. This is 4x plus 3 equal to plus or minus the square root of, this is 9, minus we have plus, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 9 is 72, so we have 72 right here. And you know that if you add 9 and 72, you're going to obtain 81. And square root of 81 is 9. So therefore, everything here is 9. We have 4x plus 3. And I may decide to take 3 to the right hand side, right? And it becomes -3. Then already we have plus or minus 9, because 9 plus 72 is 81. Square root of 81 is 9. So finally, our x value could either be equal to -3 plus 9 divided by 4, if you decide to divide both sides by 4, or -3 minus 9 divided by 4. So let's simplify this separately. -3 plus 9 will give us positive 6, right? And we have 6 divided by 4. So this is 6 divided by 4, which can be reduced to the lowest term as what? Because 2 can go here 3 times, and 3 can go here 2 times. So this is one of the values of x. And the other one, -3, -9 is -12. -12 divided by 4 is -3. So the other x value is -3. So the roots of this quadratic equation could either be 3 divided by 2 or -3. Let us try it on another equation. All right, here is another equation, x squared minus x minus 12 equal to 0. We're going to start with y prime, which is the derivative of the function to the left-hand side. If you differentiate x squared, 2 will drop down to multiply x. You have 2x. Power of 2 will reduce by 1. So we have just 2x, right? 2x. Derivative of -x will give us -1, right? So we have -1 here. Derivative of constant is 0. We forget about it. So this is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared. Coefficient of x is -1. -1 all squared minus 4. A is 1. C is -12. Let's simplify this. This is 2x minus 1 equal to plus or minus -1 squared is 1. We have 1. Minus we have plus. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 12 is 48. So we have 48 here. 1 plus 48 is 49, right? And square root of 49 is 7. So everything here is 7. We have 2x. Let me take this -1 to the right hand side. It is going to become +1, then plus or minus, this is already 7. So from here, we can divide both sides by 2. Finally, x is equal to 1 plus or minus 7 divided by 2. You can split this, right? So x could either be equal to 1 plus 7 divided by 2. 1 plus 7 is 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? So x here is equal to 4. Or the other one, which is 1 minus 7 divided by 2. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3, right? Or x equal to minus 3. So I think this formula is applicable. But I want you to keep on trying for so many other quadratic equations to see whether it is going to be applicable, because this is the first time I'm using this formula. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.